How to disable stolen device protection on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to disable stolen device protection on an iPhone, also known as activation lock. This feature helps your device secure, but if you are selling or giving away your phone, you'll need to turn it off properly. So let's get started. First, what is activation lock? Activation lock is a part of Find My iPhone and prevents anyone from using your iPhone without your Apple ID credentials. To turn it off, you'll need the Apple ID that's currently linked to the phone. Next, disable activation lock. To disable it, open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Go to Find My and then tap Find My iPhone. Now, toggle Find My iPhone off. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. If you are selling or giving away the device, make sure to also sign out of iCloud. Just go back to your Apple ID settings, scroll down and tap Sign Out. And that's it. You have successfully disabled stolen device protection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.